Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Salesforce tasks inside Zoho Projects integration step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Zoho Projects account. Once logged in, navigate to the Integrations section in the main menu. Locate and select Salesforce from the list of available integrations. If you have not yet connected Salesforce to Zoho Projects, click on the Connect button. Follow the prompts to authenticate your Salesforce account. Ensure you grant all necessary permissions for a seamless integration. Once connected, return to the Integrations page. Select the option that allows you to configure task settings between Zoho Projects and Salesforce. Choose the specific Salesforce tasks you want to update in Zoho Projects. Decide on the fields within the tasks that need to be synchronized. Map the corresponding fields from Salesforce to Zoho Projects for accurate data transfer. After setting up the field mappings, save your changes. Next, go to the Projects section in Zoho Projects and locate the specific project you want to work on. Open the project and navigate to the Tasks tab. Here, you will see the tasks that were imported from Salesforce. Select the task you wish to update. Make the necessary edits to the task details. Once you finish updating the task, click on the Save button. To ensure the updates are reflected in Salesforce, return to the integration settings. Look for the option to sync or update tasks back to Salesforce. Confirm the synchronization process. Monitor the status to ensure that the updates were successfully made. Repeat this process for any additional tasks you wish to update. By following these steps, you will successfully keep your Salesforce tasks up to date within Zoho Projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.